Okay, so I have 150 some volts here connected to the VoltsPorsche, and California license plate Volt Power, DLT Power. This little puppy is still alive and kicking, and we have life. It is set up as a 144 volt system. I was able to talk to the computer, and you won't be able to see it, but you can hear it when I throttle up. So I can only throttle up a little bit because the battery, extra battery I put in, is pretty low, and then we'll go from there. So it's a slow ramp up on the throttle. It's not a huge thing. So this whole setup would probably be better in a little Volkswagen Bug, and that's where this setup may end up going. But for now, we have this thing running. I don't have it on the street, but it runs. Now we just got to get a good set of batteries put in this puppy. So I'm going to think about doing the LifePo batteries and see if I can put in a 200 amp hour 144 volt system for the Porsche using the LifePo batteries. So here you go. We'll go ahead and listen for this little guy. So you can hear that the regen works as well, and that's what I have right now. So I'm going to disconnect and charge this other part of the battery pack, see about installing, and also check all my LifePo batteries, see where they are at, and maybe start balancing those and getting a set of LifePos in here. And I can get a whole bunch in this car, so, and I have quite a few. So very good. Talk to you later.